From here, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. From here, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. Tonight's theme is focused discipline, and this session builds calm through repetition and pacing. Notice your shoulders settling lower while your breathing begins to lengthen. As your attention narrows, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. In this next moment, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. While you listen, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. From this focused state, notice a soft hush in the room around you. With your mind organized, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. On each exhale, let your breathing become more velvet and collected. From this focused state, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. Imagine a pendulum moving in a smooth and predictable rhythm. With each swing, your mind gets quieter and your body gets heavier. Swing one to the left and exhale slowly. Swing two to the right and exhale slowly. Swing three to the left and exhale slowly. Swing four to the right and exhale slowly. Swing five to the left and exhale slowly. Swing six to the right and exhale slowly. Swing seven to the left and exhale slowly. Swing eight to the right and exhale slowly. Swing nine to the left and exhale slowly. Swing 10 to the right and exhale slowly. As the pendulum slows, you settle into a deep, calm stillness. With your mind organized, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. As you continue, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. It is safe to think in sequence, one step, then the next. As your attention narrows, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. With your mind organized, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. In this next moment, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. While you listen, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. In your own steady timing, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. As you think about focused discipline, notice that your internal pace is now warm and your attention is stable. From here, keep your breathing smoothly and your posture spacious. With your mind organized, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. From here, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. From this focused state, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Notice that you can think in sequence, one step, then the next. As your attention narrows, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. You are practicing how to give one task your full attention and let the rest wait. In this next moment, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. From this focused state, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. As you think about focused discipline, notice that your internal pace is now composed and your attention is collected. From this focused state, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. As your attention narrows, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. In this next moment, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. While you listen, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Without rushing, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. Notice that you can complete this next block with steadiness. As your attention narrows, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. From here, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. While you listen, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. As you continue, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. As you continue, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. As you think about focused discipline, notice that your internal pace is now grounded and your attention is collected. While you listen, keep your breathing softly and your posture fluid. With your mind organized, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. While you listen, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. From here, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. You arrive with an assured breath and a clear mind. You respond to focused discipline with steady intention, not urgency. As you continue, notice a soft hush in the room around you. With your mind organized, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. From this focused state, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. From here, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you.